is the time for learning text style in Adobe Photoshop. Text is an essential thing in Adobe Photoshop, and many times you have to use the text. And in this lesson, we are going to learn about the text and text stylization, like how it will add some stroke, how it will add a gradient, and how it will add bevel and emboss in text. We are going to discuss every single details about the text stylization. So let me show you some example. Here is an example of a text. Here is my name is written, and I'm going to show you an example of a text stylization. So at first I'm going to apply stroke in this text. So let me turn on the stroke layer. You can take a look, the black stroke is added on the text. Then I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to add gradient overlay inside the text. So let me turn on the gradient overlay. Okay, cool. And finally, I'm going to apply the bevel and emboss inside the text. So let me turn on bevel and emboss. And this is the effect of bevel and emboss, and we are going to learn every single process, how it will apply stroke, gradient, bevel and emboss in text. So let's take a look. So at first we have to create a new document, and therefore we have to go for file menu, and from there we will go for new option. If you want to use keyboard shortcut, then you have to press Control and N button, and this is the shortcut for PC user. And if you are using Mac, then you have to press Command and N button from your keyboard. Okay, so let me click on this new option, and this is the pop-up for creating your new document. You will have number of presets like photos, like prints, art and illustration, web, mobile, film and videos, and you will have different type of presets. This is HDTV 1080 pixel presets, and the resolution of these presets is 1920 by 1080 pixel. But we will not pick these presets. We will pick a presets from print tab. So this is the print tab, and I want to pick this later preset. The size of later preset is width 8.5 inches and height 11 inches, and resolution is 300 pixel per inches, and the background content is white. So let me click create. Okay, this is our document, and we are going to type the text in here, and we will stylize our text inside this new document. So let's start the process for typing text. Okay, if you want to type text, you have to use the type tool. So here is the type tool. This is called the horizontal type tool. So let me click on here, and this is the option for typing the text. So as an example, let me write my name. So you just have to click your mouse, and I want to write my name. So let me write my name, Stephen Coel Soren. Okay, here is my name, but you can take a look. The size of this text is really very small, and I want to make it bigger. So therefore you just have to make a selection of this text, and from there this is the option for your font size. You have to change the point, and here is some default points are available, 6 point, 8 point, and right now we have 11 point. So let's go for 30 point, and you can take a look. Our text is bigger than before right now, but I want to make it more bigger. So therefore you just have to select the option of a font size, and from there I want to go for a 72 point. Okay, right now we have the bigger font, and if you want to change the text color, you can do that easily. Right now we have the black color for our text, and I want to change the font color. So how you will do that? You just have to make a selection of your text, and from there you will get this color picker option, and this is the option for changing the color. So let me click on here, and you will get a color picker in your software. So this is the color picker, and you can pick any color from here. So I just picked a red color. I'm going to pick this red color, and you can take a look. The color of our text is changed, and right now we have the red color. And if you want to create a green color for your text, you can pick the green color, you can pick the blue color, you can pick a red color as well. So I'm going to pick this color, and let me click OK. And if you want to make more bigger this text, then you can put the manual value. Suppose I want to put 100 point for my text size. So let me put 100 point, and you just have to hit the enter button in your keyboard, and you can take a look. We have a bigger font size right now. And if you want to change the font style, you can do that easily. So this is the option for changing your font. So you just have to click on here, and you will have different type of font in your software, and from there you can choose any font from there. Okay, so I have some Century, Elephant, and here is the ethnocentric. So this ethnocentric font really looks good, so let me pick this ethnocentric font. Okay, so I want to make this font size a little bit smaller, so I want to go for 90 point. Okay, right now we have the perfect size with our document. Okay, so let me click on this tick mark. Right now I want to make the centralization of this text, and therefore I have to use the move tool. So this is the move tool, and using the move tool I want to place this text at middle of the document, and right now we have the perfect alignment for this text. Okay, so we have ethnocentric font, we have a red color in our text, and right now we are going to stylize our text, and right now we will apply stroke, gradient, bevel, and emboss inside the text. So let's start the process.